How do you deal with onesies or end of stock, end of lines, when you only have one or two of items that you're not going to be reordering, they're discontinued, and you want to make sure they sell out, but you want to do a good job in showing them. I have some tricks and some things to show you, and then what do you do with that one thing when it actually does have to leave the store? It has been there too long, it's collecting dust, not paying rent, and it's costing you. So what can you do with it to increase its value, especially to get good promotional value out of that? I have some ideas here too. So watch this short little video that I did for a client years ago as part of the training, and I'll come back and talk to you after.
That one item that you didn't know what to do with now needs to find a home. So I've brought it here to where I'm going to show you what to do with items when you are no longer reordering. When you're no longer reordering, you don't want product taking up room on a shelf, taking up available space. It doesn't pay rent. It has to be dusted. It costs more and more. It's eroding your profits. It also has no promotional value. It's unseen by shoppers. So what we want to do is show you how to take these one-of-a-kind items and create a display with them, because remember, we want to display before we discount. When you have more container than you have product because people have been selling out of it, the thing to do is to put this same amount of items in a smaller container so that it still looks full. Even one-of-a-kind items or dead stock can find their place in a beautiful display when you use all the principles that we've talked about today. You can see how the categories are all grouped. You can see how the color, pattern, and styles are all grouped, so that when the customer comes and looks at it, they're not seeing it as a one-of-a-kind leftover item. They're seeing it as something that's valuable that can be used in their home. Also, I want to point out that when you're using a product for a prop, such as these shelf units here, then you want to make sure that a lot of the product is visible so that they know that it is for sale as well. If you've displayed items like this and they still aren't selling, this is an ideal opportunity for you to take this item and have more people talking about it as you use it as a giveaway in your community to a charity where they can raffle it off or give it away as a door prize. This will give you extra value for it and still maintain the value of the item. You can see that we've used 3 examples today to show good basic merchandising principles. Whether it's goods to be sold must first be seen. We want to amuse and not confuse as we put patterns and colors together in their groupings. We want to define and confine by telling the right story and confining the product within the fixtures that we've assigned. We also want to take that one item that was if in doubt, leave it out and find a good place to put it. But most of all, we want to focus on color, which is the #1 selling factor, so that we group in space based on color, pattern, and style. If you want more information, you can check out my book, which has these ideas and a lot more in it, where you can use this as a training tool in your store to help you in your merchandising, because we are here to sell more goods to more people faster.
In case you didn't get that last phrase, it was we are here to sell more goods to more people faster. That's the bottom line of merchandising and display. And that little book that I was promoting, you can still get a copy of it. It's now a downloadable PDF, and you can pick up your copy by going to todaysdisplays.com and scrolling all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see your copy of the book here. The book is not edited. It's in its total original form. We didn't edit it or change anything. Even though it's old, it's good. And there's a lot of information in the book and a lot of things that you could do with the page by page, because we have a different topic on every page. There's the define and confine page, for example, which is rule number 5. And you'll love this book because it's very, very condensed again, as everything has been that I've been showing you. And I hope you'll go and get your copy because you will really enjoy having it. So I will talk to you soon, and thanks for joining me. Bye.